The Woodville Karst Plain Project, or WKPP, is named for the Woodville Karst Plain located to the south of Tallahassee in Leon, Jefferson, and Wakulla counties. The massive limestone plain, covered by a relatively thin layer of sand, contains numerous sinkholes, karst windows, sinking streams, and large artesian springs where extensive underwater caves transport large volumes of water through the aquifer. The largest and deepest of these underwater caves is the Wakulla Cave System, with 30 entrances and mapped at nearly 45 miles long. Exploration of the Wakulla Cave System began more than 70 years ago and continues today as advances in diving equipment technology allow explorers to push further than previously imagined. Leading the exploration effort for the past 33 years are the divers of the Woodville Karst Plain Project, the most accomplished underwater cave exploration project in the world. The mission of the nonprofit 501c3 scientific research organization is to 1. Explore, survey, and map the underwater caves of the area, 2. To provide accurate and reliable cave surveys to federal, state, and local agencies, and 3. To help facilitate and aid scientists, researchers, and resource managers in collecting and interpreting information from this unique underwater environment. All data collected by the WKPP is provided at no cost, with the understanding that better data allows for more informed decision-making and better resource management. The Wakulla Cave, the longest underwater cave in the United States and the 5th longest in the world, runs from the Leon Sinks geological area of the Apalachicola National Forest southwest to Wakulla Springs State Park and points south towards the Gulf of Mexico. In close proximity to the Wakulla Cave are numerous smaller cave systems that explorers have pursued in hopes of one day connecting to the system. On January 7th, 2023, after more than 10 years of focused effort, WKPP divers connected the Chips Hole Cave to Wakulla Cave. This accomplishment represents a long history of underwater connections by cave divers establishing the geographic extent of Wakulla Cave. Currently, there are no scientific or engineering technologies to determine where underwater caves and caverns are located in the subsurface. Ground-penetrating radar, seismic imaging, microgravity, and magnetic surveys cannot resolve the location of underwater caves. The only viable way to provide accurate underwater locations is by physical human exploration. The divers of the Woodville Karst Plain Project are volunteers contributing their time, effort, and expertise to tirelessly explore the extent of the underwater caves of the area. In recent years, research endeavors, which include dye tracing, indicate that the Wakulla Cave System will continue to grow with connections that will one day undoubtedly establish the physical link south to the Gulf of Mexico. Future success exploring these remote environments will require deep experience, resolve, rigorous adherence to standard operating procedures, and strong partnerships among all stakeholders. Doing so will ensure these unique and irreplaceable resources, including the water flowing within, are protected and preserved for future generations.